For once in your life, would you please just listen to me?
You're not my son.
I'm sorry, Dad.